weather moving in. So let's get right to meteorologist Mariel Ruiz, who's really tracking all of this for us.
Yes, and I want to show you first our WFA weather alert because it includes today and Saturday, specifically this afternoon and evening, and again Saturday, especially in the morning time. The impact will be the on and off heavy rain at times. Also the potential for isolated thunderstorms up to quarter-size hail, 50+ mile-per-hour wind gusts will be the main concern with that isolated strong to severe storm. It's not going to be the case for everyone. I want to emphasize that. You want to make sure to stay updated on the forecast. You may need to adjust some of those outdoor plans this afternoon and again tomorrow, and make sure to keep it tuned to WFAA+. Our severe weather outlook for today, for this afternoon and evening, shows a slight level 2 out of 5 risk for the likelihood of strong to severe storms. Where you see the level 3, it includes areas of the Red River and into Oklahoma. That's a 3 out of 5. That's the area most likely to see the strong to severe storms today. If you are more south, you are less likely to see the storms, or strong to severe storms. Up to quarter-size hail, 50+mile-per-hour wind gusts. The tornado threat is going to be highest in areas of the Red River and Oklahoma. Today, starting to see some showers popping up in the area, so we'll be watching that as the afternoon progresses. We'll see some of this activity really start to bubble up, especially right along here where I'm seeing some slightly drier air pushing in. So we'll be watching that area for development, and those storms will generally track to the northeast. Here's the latest timeline, what it looks like. This is around midday, still just a few little showers in the area. I'm going to fast forward here to about 1 in the afternoon on Friday. That's when we start to see a few more bubble up, a few more thunderstorms bubble up. Coverage at this point about 40 to 50%. That means not everyone sees a thunderstorm. I'm taking you to about 3 in the afternoon. Coverage will be a little higher, primarily west of DFW. I'm now taking you to about 5 in the afternoon. Notice where these storms are focusing themselves. That's 5. That's 6 p.m. That's now about 7 p.m. See how these storms track towards the northeast? Now we're looking at 10 p.m. and coverage significantly lowers once the sun sets. We'll notice drier conditions overnight, and then storms ramp up again tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, it looks like this. Our severe weather outlook still a level 2 out of 5, a slight risk. That does include DFW towards the southeast. P to quarter-size hail, 40+mile-per-hour wind gusts. That is not going to be the case with every storm. That's just the higher end storms, the more intense storms. Coverage on Saturday will be higher than today. So we're going to see more rain, but we're going to see less intensity. So let me show you what that looks like. That's around 8 in the morning. We see that rain in and around the Metroplex, really for a lot of areas north of Interstate 20. That's now showing you around noon. How does there, notice that the next round then kind of moves on in as this other one pushes out. So we'll see a few rounds of this here throughout the morning with generally drier conditions as we head into the afternoon. That's 5 p.m. Notice how this is going to shift towards the southeast now, and then we're looking drier for Sunday. So really primarily the rain on Saturday is more so a Saturday morning, lingering into the early afternoon, drier for the evening. Between today and tomorrow, with the bulk of this happening tomorrow, we could pick up anywhere between ½ an inch to 1 inch of rainfall for the Metroplex. Less the more west you are, higher amounts to the east and to the southeast. Right now, we're looking at just some showers out there. DBU cam looking completely dry, but windy out there, a wind gust of 36 miles per hour. It stays windy today, temperature of 77 right now, but we make it to about 80 degrees. And remember, the thunderstorms today, less coverage, but a few more intense storms. Tomorrow, more coverage in the morning, but the intensity is going to kind of lower. Temperature of 67 for the high on Saturday. We'll see the temperature drop as the day goes on, low 60s for the afternoon. Sunday, I do think you'll see some sunshine, a high temperature near 70 degrees. We're not done there. It's drier Sunday. It's mostly dry Monday, but then our next WFA weather alert days, Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, as more thunderstorms are expected. The second row of that 14-day looking a lot calmer and looking a little drier for us, with temperatures generally slightly warmer than normal.
All right, Mariel, thank you.